welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be doing a video that was requested by one of you guys in the comments, and it was a cosplay do and don'ts. This is just a list of general cosplay do's and don'ts that I particularly try to follow whenever I am purchasing a cosplay online. Without further ado, let's get straight into that list. Now, my first do in this cosplay do and don'ts video: do buy your cosplay from a credible site. Some recommendations from me off the top is Miko Costumes, Easy Cosplay, Doki Doki Cosplay, Amazon, Pro Cosplay is good. You know what, Miko Taku, I will throw them in there as well. I just got a cosplay from them from the Amazon storefront, and I just saw their whole website. That's another good place to get cosplays from. And am I missing anyone? I think right now, from places that I purchase cosplays from, those are my go-to sites, and I think they're really good. Now, my second do in this cosplay do's and don'ts video is if you are purchasing cosplays outside of the ones that I've recommended, do check to see if they have like a social media account. And with that, it's to see, okay, if other people have purchased this cosplay, they have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, sort of just see if they have multiple platforms with credible reviews, so that you can be like, okay, this is like a legit site, like I can get this cosplay. If I pay money, I'm going to get that cosplay. My next do when purchasing your cosplay is do buy the cosplay with the reviews. Let me scoot because I don't like the way how my chair is sitting. If you do purchase a cosplay online, check the reviews to make sure that it looks like the cosplay. And I'll say specifically from Amazon, I have like this star rule, the 3.5 up. I will purchase any cosplay that has 3.5 stars and up. If they don't have like customer review pictures on it, I'm a little weary about it. I won't get that cosplay if I need it immediately, like for a con, but I would purchase it and then see where it goes from there. It might say, oh, it's this character, and they show you a picture of the character but not a picture of the cosplay, because you will run into some sites that will show you, oh, well, it's this cosplay, it looks like these other people's cosplay, and then you swipe and it looks really bad. So do check the reviews and see how it is on other people before you purchase it yourself. If you do get a cosplay from any of the websites that I mentioned before, some of them might not have a review on there, but you do know that you're going to be getting that cosplay, and they'll have images of what the cosplay looks like. Do check the processing time for your cosplays. Okay, these sites will have it to where the cosplay is available, but that processing time could say 75 to 90 days. Do read that, because you will feel like, oh my god, like I'm getting scammed, like they're not giving me my cosplay, like what's going on? I purchased the cosplay, they said it was available, and it can ship within 4 to 5 days after the 75 to 90 day processing time. I had bought a Azula cosplay. I waited so long for that cosplay to come in, and I was checking to see what was going on with it. Canceled my order, they gave me my money back, but then when I checked again for that specific cosplay and the size that I wanted, it would have taken 75 to 90 days for that cosplay to process. So when I clicked like a small, but when I clicked a medium, it was going to be ready within like 1 processing day. So do check that processing time, because it will screw you over. Okay, one of these do's is actually something that I came up with on the fly, or just like thinking about it. Do get a lot of cosplay props, specifically in these 2 occasions. One, at a convention. Okay, I am going to be going to MomoCon, and every year I'm like, okay, when I go there, I'm going to go shopping specifically for cosplay props, because it's like the best time to get them. They're right there, you can see it, you can feel the quality. Do purchase your cosplay at the cons, and also do take advantage of Halloween when it rolls around, because they have all the cosplay like accessories and stuff. Do take advantage of that holiday, and do purchase the cosplays at conventions. Cosplays don't. Do not just buy your cosplay from any random website. In this day and age, we have the whole, oh, this site is not as secure, oh, this site, if they don't show a picture of the cosplay, I wouldn't get it. If you cannot find that cosplay, anything about that company's cosplay anywhere, do not get it, because you will not be getting your money back. Stray away from those that have no reviews, nobody, just no review. There's a high chance that you will be getting scammed and you won't be getting that cosplay. I've had that happen before when I was younger, purchasing cosplays. Bought one, never got it, so I always stick to the credible cosplay websites. My next cosplay don't is actually specifically for Amazon. Do not buy a cosplay that has no reviews or is under 3 stars. Me particularly, I have a 3.5 stars up. It's good, it's decent. It may not be the best, but it's going to be good if you just need it immediately. You're just trying to quickly get that character done, or if you want to level up the cosplay, then you get like a decent cosplay and you can make it better. But if it is less than 3.5 stars, let's say 2 and down, please do not get that cosplay. It's the reason why someone rated it 2 stars. You're wasting your money and your time. Go somewhere else. Take your money somewhere else. Do not get that cosplay. My next don't is don't get cosplays that have a ridiculously long shipping time, because for me, I feel like it's not gonna come. Like, you waiting 3 to 4 weeks for one cosplay, and mind you, this cosplay also has no reviews too, especially if you need it like within the next week or 2. Don't get those cosplays that have the long shipping rates. It's not going to be ready for you, or it might not come at all. So I typically stray away from cosplays that have like 3 to 4 week shipping. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully these cosplay do's and don'ts when purchasing your cosplay is helpful for you in the future, or right now whenever you do purchase your next cosplay. I'll be doing another video kind of like this, or just more cosplay tip videos. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to any other cosplayer or cosplay enjoyer, those who wants to get into cosplay, because these tips will definitely help, especially with where to get cosplays from. And yeah, I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.